Happy birthday!
Kaya pala ginapa-istorya at saka dahil. Dahil kalala niya alam na pinapaganyan ko daw siya pero hindi siya tumingin doon. Kinakasabot ko na pala. Sabi ko may libre ba tayo ice cream? Or cake? Ito libre ko.
Oh, come on. Oh, I just iPhone.
Ha? No, this is just iPod. iPod only. Hi, Hannah. What's your birthday wish for Tita Sandra?
I don't know.
Just stay sexy again? Sexy? Stay sexy or stay kind? Stay
kind,
pretty? Stay kind. How about you, Meg?
Never mind.
Good luck.
Your turn.
Si Mr. Flash. Ano yan? Mr. Frost. Frost.
Sabi ako kanina.
Happy birthday. Stay sexy.
And silangga.
Ano?
Is this this means middle finger. Is you
Sexy.
Mo, puro sexy.
middle.
Ikaw kayo?
Okay.
BFF, stay strong. Strong.
Yes, correct ka dyan. And you, Marisa?
Basta lang yung maganinga.
Dapat pala ipopost mo yan sa Facebook, Los.
Oo nga, ilalagay natin ngayon na.
Oo, stress na yan, ha? Stress na.
Ako, ayokong picture na sarili ko. Peace lang. Peace and happiness and contentment.
Why is the candle?
Ang mga nega, hindi pinapansin.